Are you in need of a professional graphic design service that delivers exceptional results? Look no further. Here, we specialize in providing top-tier design solutions tailored to your unique needs, no matter the complexity of the project. As graphic design freelancers, we pride ourselves on offering a complete design service. Our expertise spans across product design, from initial concepts to fully realized high-quality visual solutions. 3D render showing a product from various angles. Realistic lighting and textures. With unlimited revisions, we ensure that every aspect of your design is perfected according to your vision. Whether you're working on a physical product, a digital mock-up, or a brand identity, we deliver precision and creativity with every step. Our 3D presentations are lifelike and photorealistic, providing you with a true-to-life view of your product before it even goes to production. You'll be able to explore every detail, every angle, and ensure everything is just right. We understand that the design process is collaborative, and we're here to work with you. That's why we offer unlimited revisions, giving you the freedom to fine-tune your project until it perfectly aligns with your requirements. And when your design is finalized, we'll provide you with the original source files, ensuring you have full ownership and flexibility. Need print-ready files? No problem. We can deliver files that are ready for print or production, customized to your exact specifications. Contact us through given WhatsApp number or consent email. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you enjoyed the content and want to stay updated with all the exciting things we have planned, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. We really appreciate your support. It helps us grow and continue to bring you more awesome content. Let us know what you think in the comments, and if you have any suggestions for future videos, we'd love to hear from you. Thanks again for watching, and welcome to our community. See you in the next video.